Um, Part 2, you will see 8 sentences. Have 10 seconds to read and record each sentence. Okay. Over 400 people visited our library last month. Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. Only students have to be registered with MRS, Clark PDN, or Friday. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students might leave the classroom. What type of company do the majority of its students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening and in pollution, air in pollution. Okay. The result. Okay, very good. Thank you. Bye.